This is the Xiaomi Enchen Boost Hair Clipper. It comes in two colors, black or white. I got the white one. Upon opening the box, inside is another box, also wrapped and sealed. As you can see, the packaging is very nice. Inside the box, you have the hair shaver or clipper. And there is a small sealed wrapper containing a lubrication oil, USB Type-C cable, and a small cleaning brush. It only has the Chinese manual, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use it.
This is your hair shaver. You have the power button here. You have the charge indicator lights, and at the bottom you have the Type-C charge slot for charging. Type-C cable. So straight out of the box, you need to full charge this one before using this. Here you have the adjustable guard, which adjusts from 3 millimeters to 21 millimeters in increments of 3. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. If you're familiar with the guard, the size guard for clippers, I would say approximately 3 millimeters is for size 1, and you have size 2, size 3, and size 4, right? So that's 6 millimeters is for size 2, 9 millimeters is for size 3, and size 4 is for 12 millimeters. So to adjust to the 12 millimeters, you can just press this button right here and go up. There, it's already in 12 millimeters. Then lock it down. Though it will not move anymore. Actually, this hair shaver has 2 speeds. For the first speed, when it is off, you turn it on. That's speed number 1. For speed number 2, when it is turned on, you need to hold, long press the power button again for the second speed. There. This is the second speed. Turn it on. After you cut your hair, This is actually the guard. The shaver guard is actually detachable. So what you need to do, press it, then pull up. So you can go ahead and clean this one. And the blade, if you can look at here, the blade is here. And with this whole thing here, it is actually also detachable. So what you need to do, you just slide up. There. You can also go ahead and clean this one. The package comes with this particular brush here, and you can use this to clean this one. Sa Shopee ko binili, ilagay ko lang yung description below. It has 1-year warranty from the seller. I bought this item 340 pesos lang. Yung original price niya is 569 pesos. So, sulit na to. For durability, di ako sure dito kasi made of plastic lang siya. Di ako sure, baka pag mahulog to, mahirap na, di ba? I think if you take at least good care of it, tatagal naman to. Hindi siya waterproof, so be careful. Madali lang siya gamitin kasi magaan lang siya. Madali lang siya i-maneuver. Tapos walang masyadong buttons. Ito lang, power button. And yung guards, madali lang naman. Kailangan lang i-push yung button para mag-adjust. Madali lang siyang gamitin. For performance, okay naman siya. I was very satisfied with after cutting my hair. Yung ginamit ko na speed, yung first speed lang, okay naman siya. Matalas naman yung blade. Yung charging time kasi niya 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I would think yung battery life niya around that area din. It's more than enough time to cut your hair. Ang concern ko lang dito kung tatagal yung blade or tatagal yung hair shaver, yung sharpness ng blade, and kung tatagal yung motor sa hair shaver na to. Overall, okay naman ako dito sa product na to kasi sulit na siya, affordable na din. Durability niya, okay naman, pwede na. At least, you just have to take care of it. Madali lang siyang gamitin, magaan lang siya. And sa performance, okay naman siya so far. Yung main concern ko lang if after 2 months, 3 months, yung sharpness ng blade baka mawala yung sharpness or yung motor niya hindi nagagana or tatagal pa talaga yung hair shaver na yun. Baka hindi siya maganda para sa makapal yung buhok. Kasi yung sa akin kasi manipis na yung buhok, so it works for me. Hopefully I'll be able to update you guys para sa after 6 months or after 1 year kung okay pa yung product. If may tanong kayo guys, lagay nyo lang sa comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe also. For any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.